Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Simply Me. I hope everyone is good and doing good with their lives. So I'm back with a new vlog which is based on very healthy recipe, and the recipe is energy balls, which is very delicious and very easy to make. And I have shown all the easiest steps which you can follow very easily. We are making these energy balls with the leftover crushed almonds from which we have extracted almond milk. I hope you guys have watched that previous video. If you haven't, I will give the link on the corner, you can watch it. So here I have started the recipe, so don't forget to watch this video till end, and I can bet you will find this recipe so easy. Every single step is so easy. All you have to do is to try it, and don't forget to let me know in the comments below.